Hi everyone, welcome back to Inaraeats. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be trying 3 different Lays, but flavors that have been, existing for so long, but in potato chips. That seasoning, the flavoring will now be on there. So I'm really excited to try that. I thought I would switch things up this time and blindfold myself, pour these onto plates, mix them around without trying to drop them, and then taste test. And let's see how that goes. Obviously, hopefully, you know what, I feel like I need a marker so I can look at the bottom in case they all look the same inside. Like these two might look familiar. So I'll make a note at the bottom which one it is, but I'll be blindfolded so I wouldn't be able to tell. But yes, so I have the Doritos Cool Ranch, which honestly I haven't even had the Doritos Cool Ranch itself, like the triangle ones, in so long. I typically just get the spicy nacho. Cheetos Cheese, High Hopes, and then this one I'm really excited for, the Fritos Chili Cheese. Okay, so we're gonna put the Cool Ranch on this one, so I'm gonna make a note at the bottom. I'm just gonna write like CR. Okay. Watch me figure out, but. And then I'll rank them from. I'll try to guess which one it is, and also rank them from good to bad. We might have to keep these next to me on the floor because I don't have space. This is a tiny desk table. Okay, so Cheetos Cheese. Oh, that might not work. I'll just write Cheetos. Ignore my bad handwriting right now. Okay. I know that was right by the mic, and I apologize. Trying to pour like an even amount. So it's going on the wall. Okay. And last one, we're gonna do Fritos. If I can read my handwriting, that's what matters. Okay. I really. Oh my god. Okay. I really hope these don't fall off the table. Oh my god. Okay, well I can't have clunks or chunks, so then I'll know. I'm trying to mix it up. They're still falling down. Oh! Ah! Fail. Okay. I'm gonna throw like the bigger chunks back inside because I'll know. Okay. Cool. So here they are, the 3 flavors. Putting on my blindfold. Okay. If you're holding up a number, nobody's in front of me, I can't tell. Okay. So we're gonna switch around the plates. I already have forgotten which one is which. I wish I had someone else helping me with this, but unfortunately I don't. So this is gonna be a fun game of me just doing things. Okay, we're just gonna, please don't fall, please don't fall. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna start on this side. Ooh. Ooh, that's so hard. Oh, never mind. Got the flavor towards the end. This is the Cheetos Cheese. That has to be it. You could smell it. Yeah, you could the Cheeto dust. but it's good. I feel like it's more subtle, maybe because it's like on a potato chip and it's not as cheesy as like an actual Cheeto, if there is actual cheese inside the Cheeto. But yeah, it's very subtle. It hits you towards the end. It's really good. I don't know if I'm not gonna rank it right now. I'm gonna compare the other ones. So, alright, let's try this one. Oh wait, where's my water? I want to do a palate cleanser. Okay, I'm scared. I'm gonna put that somewhere. It's not gonna go. Okay. Hope this is the second plate. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. That is so familiar and so good. Okay. It's so good. Fritos, chili cheese. That is so fire. It's so good. I feel like this flavor with the seasoning can really go on any chip. And low-key Fritos, you might want to make like seasoning packets of this, because I would probably want this on like something. I don't know, popcorn. Ooh. I better get endorsements for that. Whatever. But, or sponsored, but this is so good. Oh my god. Yeah. I prefer this over this, for sure. Okay. Obviously, then we know which one this is. Oh, wait. I hope I'm looking at the camera. Okay. Oh my god. You can tell right off the bat with these flavors is so different. Obviously, that's a Cool Ranch. Not bad. Kind of tastes like sour cream. Yeah, very similar. Is it sour cream and onion? Oh my god, I feel like it might be. And they probably just added the blue flakes. Oh my gosh. Ooh, now I have to figure out if I like this better than Cheeto. Let's find out. So subtle, like the Cheeto flavor. Like it hits you after maybe you like get some on your tongue. If you're just eating one at a time, it's really hard. Oh, far superior. Okay. Wow. Oh. So I did get them right. Obviously, Cheeto dust. They were okay. Not my favorite. Chili cheese? Wait, you know what? I'm gonna compare this though. Okay, I don't know. This is number one. 10 out of 10. So good. Would I buy again? Yes. Runner up. 9.5 out of 10. They were surprisingly good. And I would buy them again. I mean, they low-key taste like sour cream and onion, but I feel like they just made the seasoning match what's on Doritos. I call it Cool Ranch, but really good. I don't love them. I give them like a 7.5 out of 10. I probably wouldn't buy these again. Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely not gonna buy them again. But if you're like a big cheese person that likes like cheese balls, that might be it for you. Me, not so much. Cool. So that was a fun little game that I wanted to do to switch things up. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any suggestions. I know that I got called out for saying literally in one of my videos way too many times, and I tried catching that today. Maybe it's just in my vocabulary for that week or for that video. I don't know, but I will continuously take your suggestions and try to make my videos live up to those expectations, but obviously that's very hard to do, and so you might just have to bear with me while I try to figure things out. But thank you so much for watching, and comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!